we have Jassar and Battal Saleh.
Read what?
Page 58.
السلام عليكم مستر بتال صالح.
Walaikum Assalam, Jassar.
السلام عليكم مستر بتال صالح.
Hello, Battal. Ahmed Midhat is there. Battal
مستر
Saleh is
نايف.
there. Okay, Naif is there.
السلام عليكم أحمد مدحت.
Walaikum Assalam, Ahmed. Welcome to you. Jassar is there. Okay, Naif is there. Okay. Muhammad Al Hadi is
مستر
the first
محمد
one.
الهادي غايب.
Muhammad Al Hadi is the first one.
Hello مستر.
Mustafa is there. Okay. Hello.
مستر بيشكم.
Page 58, please. 58.
مشعل.
Okay, Michelle, I got you.
مصطفى عند عبد العزيز.
Okay, Mustafa, I got you. Welcome. Okay, so we have Michelle, Mustafa, and Tal Saleh. Okay,
Abdulaziz.
Sultan Saad. Sultan is
Abdulaziz.
there. Okay, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz. And
And
Ahmed is done. Okay. Okay, open your page 58. Okay. Book page 58. We are going to review our unit today. So Sultan, Muhammad Al Hadi, and Malik. Yes, Malik. Let me write your name.
السلام عليكم مستر.
Walaikum Salam, Faisal Fahad.
58 right?
Yes, right. Page 58. We are going to review unit number 2, and next week we will have a quiz about this. Abdullah Omar is there. Okay. Okay, page 58, which is about reviewing unit number 2. Okay, first of all, we have, let me zoom in, page 58. Okay. So here we have what we have learned about evaporation and condensation. This is about page 24 to 31. At what temperature does water boil? Yes. What is the boiling point of water? This is the other question. What is the boiling point of the water? Yes, who knows? Boiling point of water. Anybody? Mustafa, Malik,
100 مستر. 100.
Muhammad Al Hadi. Very good. Excellent. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So you will write here 100, okay, space, right here degree.
السلام عليكم أستاذنا عساف.
Alaikum
وليد
salam,
عبد الله
Asaf.
الصفيري.
Welcome, Asaf. 100 degree Celsius. You write like this. 100, this sign is degree and then Celsius.
السلام عليكم أستاذ من الرياض.
Walaikum salam, Riaz and Asaf. Okay, Asaf, I will write your name.
مستر.
58, page 58.
مستر هذه الدوائر راح كلها صح؟
Yes, first of all, you will read the statement and then if you know, okay, tick. If you don't know, cross. Okay, first question, at what temperature does water
أستاذ إيش
boil?
الشيء الأحمر ذا؟
Water boils 100 degree. This, we say this degree. With this sign is of degree. This sign, small, 0, like 0. This is degree, okay? Degrees Celsius. This is the unit of temperature. Centigrade or Celsius. Okay. This is done.
Done.
Okay.
No, Mr. No.
Okay, just wait. Let me finish this and then we will write again. Okay. This was 100. 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. But here we should write degree.
What?
Degree, which is small, like small zero. Okay. Number 2, we have liquid water from wet clothes. Wet clothes. When you wash your clothes, they are wet. Okay. Where does the water, where this water go? Wet clothes evaporates, right? Yani yiji bukhar, bukharat. Where does this water go? Batal Saleh Gafil al mic. Where does this mean? What does this mean? This means the water has turned into steam, into gas, into evaporates, water vapors. Understand? The water has turned into steam. The water has turned into steam.
The water has turned into water
Steam.
vapor.
Water vapors or steam, or as I told you, okay, everything. You can say anything.
Mister-
Water has turned into
Mister,
steam.
السيركل دي مستر Yes, السيركل mister. اكتب على
Yes, you should write this circle, small circle. This is degree. You should write it. Degree Celsius. Okay. We have
مستر ضياء
Faisal.
عبد الله فيصل موجود.
Okay, Abdullah Faisal, I got you.
Thank you.
Okay, open your book, page 58. Okay. Page 58.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Next we have,
Yeah, mister.
yes, Faisal.
I am finished.
Okay, very good.
Mister,
Be with me. Let
mister.
me explain. Okay. Yes, Malik.
آخر سطر ايش اكتب؟
Sorry.
آخر سطر اللي مو مكتوب بيه شيء ايش اكتب؟
I know. Let me finish, Faisal. Malik, one by one.
مستر.
Wait, Abdullah Fahad, yes. Yes,
Page
Abdullah.
what?
Page
forgot.
58. You can see this, page 58. It's written on the left side of the screen. Okay, next question is, what are 3 states of matter? You don't know, Malik?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Excellent,
Mister.
Muhammad Al-Hadi. Excellent, bravo. Malik, what are 3 states of matter? Naif.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Ya salam, right here.
Okay, mister.
Yes, Naif. Riaz and everybody. Faisal Fahad. You will write here, number 1, solid. Or you
Solid?
can write like this, solid.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Ya salam. Very good. Solid, liquid, and gas. This is the answer. So I leave it. Now you can write solid, liquid, and gas.
Mister, now I finish.
Okay, knife. Very good. Okay. The water has turned into steam. This is next question. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. And next, 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Next, we have getting the water back. Recycle. Water cycle, you can say. Page 32 to 35. Why does steam condense back into water when it lands on some surfaces? Because it gets colder. It gets colder. When water is turned into steam, water has turned into steam, how will this steam come back? into water when it will get colder. When it gets colder, the steam becomes water when it gets colder. Okay. Next question, what are two processes that turn water into clouds and clouds into rain? The water turns into clouds by evaporation and then into rain, then rain, that is condensation. Okay, evaporation and condensation. Understand, right? Any question?
No.
Not really.
Yes, water evaporates and condenses when it goes up. Understand,
There's
right?
no one. Yes.
Okay,
no
Basim.
Finish, mister.
Okay. Okay, start. Yes,
أنا
start.
عبد الله علي دخلت.
Okay, Abdullah Ali, welcome. Okay. Battal Badr, are you there? Battal Badr. Faris Ahmed, Fahad Hamid, Faisal Abdullah, Michelle Omer. Michelle is there, right? And
Mr.
Yahya is there. Wafi, are you there?
I am there.
Okay.
أنا مستر.
مستر صفحة كم يا مستر؟ توني خاش.
Page 58, you can see on the left side of the screen here. Look, this is page. Now you can
Mister.
see. Yes, Malik.
يا أنا خلصت أطلع.
No. Malik, be with me. Why? When I will finish, I will tell you. Okay, we have page 59.
لا أنا خلصت أحسب إنه خلصنا.
No. Wait.
أستاذ في صفحة قبل.
صوتك يقطع. صوتك يقطع.
But I'll check your internet, okay? So this is page 50.
صوتك رجع.
أنتوا فيه حليتوا صفحة قبل.
Page
أستاذ أنا خلصت عاد أطلع.
it's done. Nobody go.
أستاذ أنا خلصت عاد أطلع.
Don't leave. Don't leave. We have page 59. Don't leave. We have page 59. Be with me.
I love you, mister.
Thank you, Muhammad Al Hadi. Okay, next we have, here you have some statements. Number one is, here you can see on the top of right side of your, Faris is there now. Yes, welcome Faris. It's written that I know that when a liquid becomes a gas, it is called water vapors. Okay, let me check. There is one more statement upwards. Okay.
True, mister.
Yes, you can check this. Next we have, I can model the particles in solid, liquid and gas. What were the particles like this? You can make it in solid, they were like this, right? Right? In liquid, they were like this. And in gas, in like this. You remember that, right? Anybody? You remember those? How to make particles?
Yes يا مستر.
Yes,
Yes,
very good.
mister.
Very good. So you can pick that because you know that. Next, I know that condensation is the reverse of evaporation. Yes, because water goes up by evaporation and then condenses back. Okay, evaporation is steam and condensation is back to water, back to liquid. So this is also fixed. Hello Faris, welcome. Next,
مستر حطها كلها true.
Batal, be with me one by one. I understand the importance of water cycle on earth. Why? Because water goes up by evaporation. Water goes up by evaporation, then condenses into clouds, then comes back onto earth. So this is called water cycle. So this is important.
Mister,
As we know, this is important. So tick this one also. Yes, Abdullah Fahad.
can you go up?
Yes, I will go up. Just let them finish this and I will go back. Okay.
Okay.
True, Mister.
Yes. Yes, check this one. I know when a liquid becomes a gas, it is called evaporation. Yes.
Even
Okay, you got it.
finish, Mister.
Okay, Abdullah.
Sir,
Fahad.
why I don't get the crystal?
Sorry.
Mister, next page.
Page 58.
Crystal. Number 50. Page 50. That.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Yes, crystals are because that was water. When water becomes solid, it becomes crystals, right? It was going from up, it was coming down in the shape of drops and many things. Okay, but
Okay.
when it gets colder, it becomes crystals. The water, there is like ice, that is like ice on that
Yeah.
page. Okay, finish this page. Anybody left? Khalas wala bagi?
Left.
No,
Kalas.
Okay.
No,
Abdullah Ali.
Kalas.
Okay, Abdullah Ali, finish quickly. I'm just waiting for you. Anybody? Fiya sawal? Anybody? Any question?
No, yeah, Mister.
No, Mister. No.
Okay. Next,
Mister, I finish.
Battal Saleh, Gafil al mic. Okay. So next I will give you project, inshallah, next week for water cycle. You will make water cycle and send
Mister,
me.
next
Okay.
page.
Yes, Muhammad Al Hadi. We will go on next page now. Okay. Finished, Abdullah Ali? Please, quick. I will give you project about
Finish.
cycle.
Mister,
Cycle.
خلاص finish.
Okay, just let me bring that water cycle and I will show you. Okay, just 1 second.
Sir, even I want a project in the crystal.
Yes, boys, I'm with you.
يلا يا مستر
Yes,
back.
Abdullah Ali. Just 1 second, Abdullah Ali. Okay,
Me finish.
okay, thank you. I will show you when we will finish this lesson. Okay,
Mister.
next page, please. Page 59. Page 59. Okay, page 59. Just let me adjust. Okay, so here we have number 1, we have question about true false. Number 1, we have air contains water vapor. True or false? Who knows the answer? Air contains water vapor. Yes?
True.
Excellent.
Mister.
Very
true.
good.
True,
Very good.
True,
This is
mister.
true. Thank you, boys. This is true. Number 2. We do not breathe out water vapor. And when you Ahmed, very good. Ahmed Midat. When you breathe out,
Very true. It's true.
when you breathe out, Basil, listen to me. Listen to me. When you breathe out, you do not throw water vapors. We do not breathe out water vapors. Is it true, Basil?
No.
False.
Yes.
False,
Listen the
false.
question very carefully. First,
False,
it's
Mr. False.
yes, it is false. Next, we have number 3. Water leaks out of the glass of iced water on the outside of the glass. Yani water leaks out. This is true or false?
False.
True.
False. False.
False.
False.
False.
Very good. Who is saying true? It's not true.
False.
Yes.
No. False. أنا أقول. ما
Yes,
قلت true.
false.
أول شيء قلت
It
true،
is
بعدين قلت
false. Very good. Air contains water. This is true. Water vapor. We breathe out water vapor. So this is also false. The water does not leak. So this is also false. Okay. Next we have boiling and melting. Boiling and melting. What happens when a liquid reaches its boiling point? It turns into gas, which is called steam. It turns into gas, which is called steam. You can also write here, it turns into steam. Okay, or it evaporates. Next question we have, what happens when a liquid reaches its freezing point? What will happen? Yes.
It turned into ice. Ice. Ice.
Yes, it turns into ice. What is ice? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
Liquid. Liquid.
When?
Solid. Solid.
Yes.
Liquid.
Okay. So we will write here, Faisal, it's already liquid. When liquid reaches its freezing point, yani when you put water into your fridge, deep freezer, it will become solid, right?
Yes.
Okay, you will write here, it turns into a solid, right? It turns into a solid. Understand, right? Faisal, understand, right? Fahad, Ahmed, Tamim.
Yes. Yes.
Asra.
Yeah, mister.
Very good. Okay, next we have what happens when a solid reaches its melting point? What happens if you put ice outside?
Turned into liquid. Liquid.
Yeah,
Liquid.
It turns, very good boys, it
Into
turns
liquid.
Liquid.
into a liquid. Okay, you have any question? Faisal, fahamt? Understand?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, mister.
Yes. Okay. When you put water into your deep freezer, it will become ice, which is liquid. So we can say which is solid. It turns into solid. When you put ice outside of the deep freezer, it will turn into a liquid. So we will say, we will write this answer here.
Mister, how to spell liquid?
Liquid. I wrote it. Okay. Next we have making solutions. When solids disappear into a liquid, they have, and if you put salt, it's mean if you put salt or sugar, that is solid. If you put it in, if you mix that into liquid water or in your tea or coffee, it will be dissolved. That is called dissolved. They dissolved into the liquid.
أستاذ هذا آخر صفحة
Yes.
نحلها.
Yes, this is last page for unit number 2. We are reviewing. Next time, inshallah, we will revise all the lesson and we will have quiz, inshallah. Batal,
Mister.
Don't open your mic, Battal. Battal Saleh.
Mister, I finish. I can live.
Battal, قفل المايك لقس معايا. Be with me and don't open your mic. When I will say leave. Wait.
مستر بجوت.
Page 59. But 59.
يا مستر الدوائر كلها.
Battal. Ali, Abdullah Ali, رقص معنا. Be with me. Don't speak. Don't open your mic. Okay, next question. Name two solutions made with water and solid. You can write here number 1, which is salt water. Salt water. Number 2, you can write coffee or tea or juice or something like that. Lemon juice. You will write salt water and coffee, right? Which is dissolved and or you can say solution, which is dissolved in water. Salt water and coffee. Understand, right? Any problem in this question?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Tamim. Michelle, what is the problem?
No.
Okay. Next question is name one solid that is insoluble in water. Yani maafi hal, not mixed in water. That is sand. You can write here sand. Sand or mud, or you can write loam. Okay. There is plastic. There is piece of paper. There are a lot of things. But he said in question, name one solid. So sand is solid and it does not dissolve in water. We will write here sand.
Even a pen.
خلصت
Even a pen, yes. Even a pen. No, Jassar, listen to me, ya Habibi. When you finish, I will tell you, Ro, you can go. Just wait. Wait till I am with you. I will show you how to make project after this. Just stop your videos.
يا مستر
Yes.
الدوائر احط فيها كلها صح.
Abdullah Ali, I told you, listen to me. Be with me, okay? Be with me. Let me finish. Let me read them, okay? Yes, my champion.
Sir, can we have two projects?
Yes, you may have 2, you may have 3, but different. Now, this time we have only one project about water cycle. I will show you, okay? Just let me finish and then I will show you, okay?
Mister, I can live.
No. I know that hummed here contains water vapor. Then I understand that to make a fair test, the other variables have to be controlled, right? I know that some substances are soluble and some are insoluble. Yes. I know that when a liquid is evaporated from a solution, a solid is left behind. Yes. Okay. So it's time.
What about down and up?
That those are correct. Okay. So let me show you the project
What
now.
is correct mean?
Look, boys, this is project. You can see this. Close your video, Michelle. Close your video, Michelle.
ليش؟
So here you can see this, right? You can make project like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is evaporation.
كده.
Sorry.
اوكي مستر.
Yes.
Yes.
عيد
The
عيد يا
water,
أستاذ عيد أستاذ.
the water evaporates from here, right? It
Yes,
becomes
Mr.
clouds. Then from clouds, it becomes water again. Okay. This is water.
اوكي.
Okay. This is water cycle
Okay.
project.
Mister, I'll tell you a fun fact about liquid.
Okay.
فصل
Uh,
فصل
Sir, I can tell.
did you
Okay,
know?
boys.
Yes, Mister.
Mr. No, can leave.
Mister,
Yes, Basil.
I'll tell you a fun fact about lava.
Okay.
Mister, lava is not liquid,
Yes. What is that actually?
solid.
Okay, how? Explain.
Because if you try to stand in lava, you'll stand at it. But one big problem is because lava is so hot, so it slowly melts you.
Ah, yes. Okay.
So this is why you sink in lava because it heats you up to
يعني يا مستر
Batal Saleh, Gafil al mic. Listen to Basil. Okay, Basil, thank you. Yes, Faisal. Yes, Aziz. Abdul Aziz. You have any question, Azuz?
No.
Okay. Why are you raising your hand? You are. Okay. Thank you.
مستر
Yes, Faisal. Fadda.
يعني أنا أروح أسوي الحين مشروع.
Yes, you can make. No problem. When you will make, okay, send me. Send me the picture on. Send me the picture. Make the project on a board, cardboard, and send me the picture, okay? With you. You are standing beside and your project is beside you and send me the picture. Okay?
يرسل صورة يا مستر على الجروب.
Okay, I will send it. You can find this picture on page number. Okay, let me tell you what is the page number for this. This is on page. Let me check. On page 35. Page 35.
35.
Yes, on page 35, you will find this picture, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye. 35. 35. Page 35.
Bye, Mister.
Goodbye.
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 Goodbye.